Hi Jonathan, so here is a quick attempt at a shoe assembly. I've used Elfa's online design tool for this, not my own software. It's a fairly simple proposition, so I just thought I'd crack on and do it here. There is not a lot of point in going above chest height, shoulder height with these gliding racks, because you're not going to be able to sort of see above and into the rack. So I've stopped the gliding racks at this sort of height, and I've got the 3 racks for heeled shoes as the higher racks. These are slightly more efficient than the flat shoe mesh racks below. I found that you can get 9 pairs of stiletto heels. This is a very, very lightweight, slim, ladies' evening shoe that you can get on here with a defined heel. Anything else, trainers, flats, ballet pumps, stuff with no heels and a wedge heel, has to go into the mesh racks. Now they are slightly less efficient. You can get 6 ballet pump, like very, very slim shoes into these, but generally if it's trainers you're looking at 5 pairs of shoes with 2 pairs at the front, 2 pairs at the back, and 1 pair generally split, particularly if it's men's shoes. I can't remember what size feet your wife has got, if I would maybe be able to remember that even, but only a very, very, very small shoe is going to get 3 pairs at the front, 3 pairs at the back. Generally you end up with a split pair. And I've shown some flat shelves at the top, just because I don't think you're going to reach into the gliding racks. That gives me what price was that? I think it was yes, it's about, let's just check, yes, £700 down near it, and with my design and install fee, I'm going to waive most of the design fee because it's taken 15 minutes tops. I'm coming out with, if I half the design fee, I'm coming out at £1,120 designed, supplied and installed. I'll put that all in an email and hope to speak to you soon.